ufikile uMcBride ku-ADO committee nge-20 kaJanuwari 2026 uthe efika sabe simbona nje into yoba akazi uvana ne-members of i-ADO committee. Number 1, ufike late. I-witness yokuqala into yoba i-appear before i-ADO committee ibe late. Number 2, uthe kungephi babe kune-gestures nyana banikana zona. Already bazama nje ukumkorekisha into yoba ye bambumsila akho McBride ayenziwa lento apha. Ngapha uMateyu ubhizi noBradenbach bayagavulana, omnye uxelela omnye into yoba sidala siyibona lento yakho into yoba ufuna ukuzosebenzisa ububhulu bakho apha not apha. Hayi ke bathathana nje yakorekisha lento asingenene emxholweni. Qalile i-testimony yakhe uMcBride uthe siza nayo kwaphikwa apha umcimbi oba hayi man i-CV yakhe inezinto ezingaqondakala incama akayena self akayewatch wathi it's not updated. Hayi bazama nje ukudwela kuyo bathini sagqitha wangena emxholweni we-testimony. Uthe efika uMcBride evula umlomo sabe simva into yoba akazelanga kuzoclear igama lakhe lo muntu enhleke uzele ukuzocreate ezakhe i-allegations. Hayi ke ndithe ndisalindele into yoba inobaqala bazaqala bambuze ngezi allegations zakhe. Waqala ngezakhe allegations weza nazo already ufuna upainta uCedric Nkabinde ngoba uCedric Nkabinde ngathi usekesebenzela amaqembu amabini uthanda imali gqitha uCedric Nkabinde uba ngabi inyoba alilunge elicala uchecha abalekele kwelicala ngongathi vele beke kwicamp yabo but because izinto zange zambe ngendlela efunwa nguye uCedric Nkabinde yilento ephethe sekewela kwicala lo General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Sabuya umcimbi kaPaul Sullivan awuyenze nje clear indaba Paul Sullivan uyamthanda uyindoda enamajoke indoda ehlekisayo Paul Sullivan enebona beyi-IPD bebeyisebenzisa i-resources zika Paul Sullivan because uyindoda enolwazi and uyindoda ene-resources so uyakhonfebeka la mcimbi woba uPaul Sullivan bekenobudlelwano obuthile nabo. Hayi bophuma lapho size kuye ke ngoku ufuna ukuthetha istory apha uthi kunomuntu waye-investigator I think yakwa-IPD uMandla Mahlangu. Mandla Mahlangu wake wazama ukudutyulwa ngaphambili but wasinda, okwesibini wadutyulwa watshona. So uthi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kwezi crime scene zombini kwenzeka kanjani into yoba abe ngumuntu wokuqala ukufika. Already uyambona ikhona into akazama ukuyithetha apho. Hayi bathula bamamela elingathi bokuvunyelwa into yoba bangam-interrupt kakhulu aqhubha umcimbi wakhe then i-questioning izawuqala namhlanje. Already just to put you at ease seke questionile uSokhanyile kwalandela uXola kwalandela uNomvalo Nzazama into yoba i-questioning yabo ndiyifake kwalapha then on my second party labo sabe sesigqibezela ababanye. Hayi ke weza nalo nezo allegations ngokungathi unokusolo okuthizeni akafuna ukuthetha ngumalunga noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Wazama nje ukuthi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi akamazi ukumazi kwakhe wamazi kwi-meeting anethile akathi xa kefika wa-introduce I think ngomnye we-former ministers I think nguNhleko waziswa ngaye but wathi efika apho ke wayebhizi ekhalazela into yoba yena kanikezwa umsebenzi siyayazi ke lonto uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi futhi akayisimphikele uyindoda engafuni into yoba anganikezwa umsebenzi uthanda umsebenzi wakhe ifana nangoko efakwe kwinto ze-HR's office wayengafuni funa isibhamu ufuna basegroundini yena uyindoda ye-action akafuni into yoba bepresa nama-computers. Hayi ke wabe sitsho ngongathi into yoba nangoko waye kwa-HR but for some reason waba umuntu wokuqala ukufika kuma-crime scene womabili mhla kuduyulwa lo Mandla lo Mahlangu oclose naye but for some reason wathi sekeshwelekile akazange uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi aye esingcwabeni but yena McBride wayeyilo kwesongcwabe so ntoni so iyasolisa nje into yakhona ngendlela kathetha ngayo. Hayi wadwela hayi akafuni nokumbona uPhahlani kuthi ebuzwa ungumhlobo wenene nje apha naphaya uthi ebuzwa ngale abephendula pha but uyambona nje uba uzele ukuzongcolisa igama lika General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi noPhahlani. Hayi ke into eyizolo leyo. Hayi bomamelani kukhona apho ewathi khona uke wathreatenishwa nokuthreatenishwa zi-members ze-GNU kwabuzwa into yoba ngubani lowo wathi nguDr Groenewald ngulo yomnye we-leaders ke ngoku ze-WF+. Wathatha loo nto leyo kwathina hayi ke sharp kwagqithwa apho. So basically nje ilanga la izolo kube about nje i-allegations bombona uba uzama ukuzithetha yena self. Hayi akayiphini nalaa nto oyayithethwa nguCedric Nkabinde into yoba kwaPaul Sullivan kwathini but kwesakhe istory sithi babeseBrayini yayiyo ngalendlela uCedric akathetha ngayo uCedric uqamba amanga so kunje into yoba it's one word against the other. So it's my word against yours ngendlela abafuna ukudlala ngayo lento le. Oh okay sharp sharp. Ayithethile yonke lonto le izolo ke. Namhlanje kuthiwe kuvulwa ke hayi kwavulwa umuntu oqala oye waquestiona nguSokhanyile akhonto nje ngabe ndiyathi ndipha iphathi yaphathe kancane. Owesibini kwazoba nguXolo. UXolo wafuna uku-understanda lo mcimbi lona uba kukhona into akayithethe izolo enye futhi yena usedri unto uMcBride. McBride uveze into yoba I think uNhleko uminister chief of staff eyayiqashwe nguNhleko ngoko wayeyi-illegal foreigner eke yabanjelwa ubu-illegal foreigner obo nani nje into ngathi njalo nguLeon something igama lakhe. So zibekezele nje uzokwenza nje ama-allegations yena self against abanye abantu ayike sharp. Namhlanje uyabuza ke ngokuXola phansi kwale nto okay sharp ngixelele something. Uvumile into yoba nihamba noPaul Solomon. uPaul Solomon as in person niyayithatha njengomuntu osebenzele i-IPT wathi hayi wayeyokhomba i-crime scene. So le crime scene yini kukwa General Phahlane. Abuze athi khangichazisele something kuza njani into obumzika General Phahlane kuthiwe yi-crime scene. Ube yi-crime scene ngani? Yeyiphi le crime eyakhomithwa pha? Hayi because umuntu wakhona wathengwa ngemali ye-proceeds ze-corruption hilili kwathini but nje into yakhona nje interestanga because badelelele kukhona nalapho even uthe ezama ungenelela kwakhona apho ebuza khona uMcBride into yoba ndithini ndihambe na xa bezama ukuthi into yoba no ngendlela othetha ngayo because ngekwazi allegation oza nazo unabo ubungqina na obokubhack up ezi stories zakho. Wathi nakanabo ubungqina kwathi okay i-witness because into bakuzanyanzele kuhambe uze ne-witness wathi also ndithini ndihambe na. Of course i-question was not necessarily relating into yoba pick up your things now and leave. Bokuthi nje into bakuzanyanzele kusikhombisa abanye abantu abazokwazi collaborator esi story sakho sixelela sona. So ingathi akanazo ne-witnesses kule nto yakhe akayithethayo. Ayike sharp ke from apho after bedelelene kwathi niwabuza ke into yoba kuze njani because unoba yeyiphi lo crime eyikhomithwe nguGeneral Phahlane because uzibizile nje manje xa thebuzwa ngale abebuya kuGeneral Phahlane. So yeyiphi lo crime leyo eyakhomithwa pha kwaGeneral Kamite xa usithi uPaul Solomon wayeyokhomba i-crime scene of which crime scene ngumzi kaGeneral kuza njani? Hayi bafethu ngabe ndiyaxoxa uba ndingathi ndimvile uphendule wathini akavakali nje ncama uMcBride. From apho omnye umuntu eyewazama ukumfaka ekoneni ke ngoku nguNomvalo. uNomvalo umbuza into yoba ufike apha wasixelela ngalo muntu okuthiwa othe wena wayaqashwa illegally waye-chief of staff kwi-office kaminister I think nguNhleko at the time. So ithi istory sakhona sithini? Hayi uthe bambeyeka wathi uyayazi ba lo muntu lowo icase yakhona wayithatha wayibhekise court. Uyayazi ba lo muntu lowo waze wenza ne-DNA test efuna ukuziprove into yoba yena uyi-South African citizen na. Wathi hayi bendingayazi. Wathi away into yoba uza ne-allegations apha i-allegations zakho ezingaphatheki. Waphuma kule wangena kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Wathi phansi kwento kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi into yoba ubuveza ingathi insinuator apha ngongathi kukhona into isolayo ngoGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi xa wayefike kwezo crime scene ezalo muntu wayeyichomi yakhe uMahlangu uMandla Mahlangu. Uyayazi ba uMahlangu lo une-brother uyayazi ba i-brother yakhe yichomi eclose noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Wavuma wathi uyayazi lonto le igama I think nguWilliam. Away into uGeneral Nhlanhla wafonelwa nguWilliam for uba abe yasibhaqe ekulo crime scene leyo na. Hayi andiyazi. Okay now that sokunjalo maybe it explains ke into izisolo zami because nje kuye it was just too much of a coincidence into yoba makabe ngumuntu oqala ukufika kuma crime scene uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi as investigator yamsolisa. Now that uNomvalo uza nento ethi okay wayefonelwe yibrother yakhe uMandla inoba ke it answers i-questions beginner's. So uze nensolo that were not backed up by anything. Uze ecingela into yoba hayi ufika njapha ufika uzobalisa nje amabarebare. Hayi babafethu uMcBride kukhona apho ethe khona yeah that's none of your business. Sebebhidala benoNomvalo amagama njalo wabizile. Kukhona nalapho uMatey semkhola on into order into yoba you're not going to come here and uthreatenishe enye ye-members because kukhona apho khona esethe kuNomvalo you must watch it something like that nje. But nje uzixelele uyambona into yoba bebengophunyuka bemphethe benoPaul Solomon bebengalawulwa ngumuntu bebezilawula. Even i-position yakhe apho esebenza khona bekengafunanga kuyi disclosure but bamnyanzelisa. I think nguJames umntode wa
Mkhwanazi to General Mkhwanazi being on the scene. You are using a word inconsistent and to me that is English. What do you mean? You are saying Mr. Mkwanazi went to the scene. He didn't attend the funeral. And according to you, that is inconsistent. So what do you mean by saying that? What are you intending to mean?
Yeah, I'll answer you. In the same way when KwaZulu-Natal was burning in 2021 July, General Mkwanazi was not on the scene of dealing with the matter of the insurrection. In the same way, one would have expected him, with people who he is close to at least attend their funeral, and one wonders why he'd be first on a scene. So maybe there's a clear answer. Someone phoned, but until now, someone phoned him and said, go there and look, because he's a family friend and a cop and he's got connection. But until now, no one has given me that explanation.
Yeah, and
And I've searched.
And then by saying that is inconsistent, failure to attend the funeral, being the first person on the scene, and you say it's inconsistent. What do you mean by saying that?
Or taking leave during a provincial emergency.
And then what do you mean? What do you mean by saying that?
It's inconsistent. Whatever you interpret that to mean, it's up to you.
No,
Me,
no, no.
it's something to be
I'm
looked
not
at.
interpreting. I'm seeking for your clarity. You are the one who's giving that word to us. So clarify it so that we can interpret it correctly according to what you are saying.
No, there's not much more I can add to saying the conduct, in my view, is not the normal conduct of a person who's close to people.
To not attend a funeral.
Or to take leave during a national emergency and have a show of force.
Do you know that, let me ask this first. Do you know how General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi found his way to the scene?
I don't know. All I know is the fact he was first on the scene.
So you don't know how he found his way to the scene?
No.
Do you know that General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was a friend to a brother of Mandla Mahlangu?
Very well. Very well. Even closer than Manda. Very well, I know that.
Do you know that brother?
Very well.
What's his name?
Is William.
The brother was working for
Yeah,
DPCI.
the brother got promoted, I think, to brigadier.
No, I'm saying at that time he was working for DPCI in Mpumalanga, correct? At the time of the incident.
I'm not sure sequence of events, whether he was promoted before or after, but I know he went to Mbombela.
No, I'm saying at that time, during the incident, that is what I'm saying to you, that he was working for DPCI in Mpumalanga.
I'm not sure if it was at that time. I can't remember sequence of events.
Now, if I say to you, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi got a call from the brother of Mandla Mahlangu, who told him that his brother, Mandla Mahlangu, has been shot, and instructed or requested him to go to the scene, what would you say?
I'd say that's starting to make sense.
So you made an insinuation before this committee, before you even attained that information that I'm giving to you now, because that is what I'm putting to you. General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi found his way to the scene through a phone call he got from a brother of Mandla Mahlangu.
Yeah, it's starting to make sense now.
Don't you think that you are being unfair to the people against whom you have made these allegations? Because as time goes by, I'm giving you information and you are changing your tone. And you are changing your tone having made adverse allegations against people. Because here, like the honorable member has said, that you are making a certain insinuation by saying his failure, Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, to attend the funeral and him being on the scene is inconsistent.
Yeah, that was my conclusion, my assumption. that is inconsistent.
Is it correct to conclude based on assumptions?
So it's not only one scene he was on 2 scenes.
No, no, no. Before we go there, is it correct to conclude based on assumptions about people?
That's how you start an investigation.
No, no, I'm not talking about an investigation here. Did you investigate Mkhwanazi for getting into the scene? I'm not talking about an investigation. I'm saying, generally, is it correct to make accusations based on assumptions? Is that a correct approach?
It's not an accusation. I said that's my assumption and I found it inconsistent. I still think it's inconsistent. It's 2 occasions. How can it be?
No, but I'm telling you what transpired now. I'm telling you that General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi found his way to the scene through a phone call he got from the brother. So how is that inconsistent?
So would I be wrong to assume you're in direct communication with General Mkhwanazi?
I don't know. That's your own issue. I don't know. I'm not entitled to how you can think. And if that you found that to be inconsistent, why did you not raise it with the investigation team that was investigating the case of murder?
I was not in a criminal justice system. There were other people looking at the matter, including some IPID investigators who were trying to locate what is the issue. And yeah, I was out at the scene. Others, they found someone who I think is a patsy for the murder.
Okay.